We were deeply honored by the presence of Yang Amat Berhormat Prime Minister of Malaysia, Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim, whose keynote address outlined a compelling vision for a fairer and future-ready Malaysia, one that not only adapts to an aging society, but thrives because of it. As we reflect on the discussions from yesterday, a clear message emerged. Preparing for longer life requires more than just policies and programs. It demands a fundamental rethinking of how we build resilience across all aspects of society. From reimagining retirement systems, fostering healthier, more inclusive communities, we must now act with agency and purpose. This calls for institutions like the EPF to lead not only in financial stewardship, but in shaping a future that is sustainable, equitable, and prepared for the challenges ahead. It is in this spirit that, on behalf of the Employees Provident Fund, I am proud to officially launch the EPF Sustainability Commitments, our bold and purpose-driven agenda to support a just transition toward a more inclusive, climate resilience, and secure future. While our core mandate remains steadfast, that is to help Malaysians achieve a comfortable retirement income, we know this goal does not exist in isolation. It is deeply connected to the world around us, to the quality of our environment, the resilience of our communities, and the strength of our economy. In this age of accelerated climate change, we face unprecedented challenges and opportunities. Retirement security cannot be detached from rising inequality, ecological degradation, or economic volatility. We must respond with foresight, courage, and a collective will to act. This is why EPF is aligning its strategies with a broader vision of sustainable and inclusive growth, one that protects not just capital, but communities. One that builds not only returns, but resilience. We are already witnessing the impact of the changing climate and the loss of biodiversity. These realities are not longer abstract, as they are already affecting life and livelihoods, particularly among the vulnerable. The role of institutions like ours must now evolve from safeguarding savings to stewarding futures. We believe that capital, when directed with purpose, can be a powerful lever for change. By investing in businesses and industries with strong sustainability practices, we contribute to the long-term stability of our portfolio and to the broader health of the economy, the environment, and society. Ladies and gentlemen, sustainability is no longer optional. It is a strategic imperative, and with the launch of the EPF Sustainability Commitments, we are embedding this principle into operations, policies, and investment decisions. This commitment spans three key pillars. Pillar 1 is environmental action to drive climate resilience and low carbon growth. Pillar 2 is social impact to promote inclusion, equity, and community well-being. And Pillar 3 is culture and governance to ensure transparency, integrity, and accountability in everything we do. In making sustainability a core part of our DNA, we move from aspirations to action and from intents to impact. This is how we ensure that as our members retire, they do so in a world that is still worth living in. As custodians of public trust, we must ask, what kind of world will we live for those who come after us? Will they inherit thriving communities and stable institutions, or the consequences of our inaction? These questions can no longer be left for tomorrow. They demand immediate structural responses. And today, with this launch, the EPF reaffirms its role in that response, not just as a fund manager, but as a national institution committed to the well-being for all Malaysians. We cannot do this alone. Achieving a future that is secure, inclusive, and sustainable requires the collective effort of every sector. We need the innovation of businesses, the conviction of civil society, the leadership of government, and the participation of all Malaysians. So I call on each of you, policymakers, academics, investors, employers, and citizens to join us. Let us forge a new social contract that honors the past, protects the present, and prepares the futures. Let this launch be more than a milestone for EPF. Let it be a shared moment of commitment to build not just a stronger retirement system, but a better society. One that embraces longevity is a gift and treats sustainability as our shared duty. With that, I'm honored to officially launch the EPF Sustainability Commitments. Through this commitment, we reaffirm our promise not just to help Malaysians retire well, but to help them live well in a world worth inheriting. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Chairman.